Jamaican Patois sounds like English right up until the moment it absolutely doesn't. Here are 10 phrases that will leave you lost first time and feel like a local the second. Stick around for number 10. It might be the most beautiful thing you say all week. 1. Wagwan. This is the hello. It literally means what is going on, and it is how friends greet each other all day long. 2. Midea. Say it back when someone asks how you are. It means I'm here, I'm holding on, I'm good. 3. Soon come. Now this one is a trap. Soon come does not mean soon. It means I will get there eventually, in my own time. Do not hold your breath. 4. Small up yourself. Make a little room. Squeeze up so one more person can fit. On a packed bus, you'll hear this a lot. 5. Irie. Everything is good. Good vibes. All is well. No stress. If you are Irie, you are exactly where you should be. 6. Bredrin. Bredrin and sistren. Your close friends, your chosen family. More than a mate, closer to a brother or sister. 7. Duppy. A ghost, a spirit, and trust me, Jamaican ghost stories will keep you up all night. 8. Take time. Slow down. Be careful. Handle it gently. Good advice for life, honestly. 9. Miss soon link you. I will catch up with you later. The Jamaican way of saying see you soon. 10. Walk good. This is how you send someone off. It means travel safe, go well, may the roads treat you kindly. It is a small blessing every single time. If you're already saying these in your head with the accent, you are one of us. We put that love for the language on a Jamaica mixed with tea. Link below. Now tell me in the comments which phrase are you using first.